What if I told you electricity once had a street fight? No wires flying, actual humans beefing, lawsuits, propaganda, and even electrocuting animals. This wasn't Marvel. This was AC versus DC, the most brutal tech war in history. Two geniuses, two systems, one winner that powers your house today. Let's rewind to the War of the Currents. Before electricity, candles burned houses down, gas lamps exploded, cities shut down after sunset. People were desperate for a better solution. Then came electric power and two men who hated each other's ideas. Meet Thomas Edison, the king of inventions. Edison pushed direct current, DC. What is DC? Electricity flows in one direction, simple, stable, great for early devices. But DC had a big problem. It couldn't travel far. Power stations needed to be every 1 to 2 kilometers. Super expensive, totally impractical for big cities. Edison didn't care. Why? Because he owned the patents. If DC won, Edison became unstoppable. Enter Nikola Tesla, the misunderstood genius. Tesla believed in alternating current, AC. What is AC? Electricity changes direction, can be stepped up or down using transformers. Travels long distances efficiently. Cheaper, smarter Tesla teamed up with George Westinghouse, a businessman who saw the future. Together, they had a system that could power entire countries. And Edison? He was not happy. Edison launched the nastiest tech smear campaign ever. He publicly electrocuted animals using AC, claimed AC would kill people. Helped invent the electric chair. Powered by AC, Edison wanted the public to associate AC with death. This was not science anymore. This was propaganda. But facts don't lie. In 1893, the US government had a big decision. Who would power the Chicago World's Fair? Edison's DC or Tesla's AC? They chose AC. The fair lit up with over 100,000 lights. People were shocked, literally and emotionally. Then came the final blow. Niagara Falls Power Project AC transmitted power 40 kilometers to Buffalo. DC couldn't compete. The war was over. AC became the global standard. Homes use AC power grids, use AC industries use AC. But here's the plot twist. Your phone, your laptop, your power bank, they all run on DC. Modern electronics convert AC to DC internally. So the truth is, we needed both. AC won the war. DC survived the future. Edison lost the battle but still changed the world. Tesla won the system but died broke. And today, every time you charge your phone or switch on a fan, you're witnessing the aftermath of the greatest electricity war ever fought. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, subscribe, and comment AC or DC. Who do you think truly won?